good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone all over the world. Ayan. So dito, time check, 10 in the morning. May racket tayo, racket na bali. Hataw tayo ngayon. Double part-time tayo. Yung building na yan, yung building na yan. Yan. Hindi dyan ako naka-part-time ngayon sa tatlong special cats ko. Pero mabait kasi yung client ko. So inaano pa rin niya ako na kumuha ng extra na racket as long as na accomplish ko na yung morning routine ng mga cats. So done all medication, napakain ko na. So ito, mamayang gabi ulit sila. So tara, racket mo tayo. Tayo sa Emirates Tower Metro Station. On the way tayo sa Center Point. Doon ko kikitain yung mga kasama ko sa training. Tapos diretso na kami sa duty. So, update you dito ulit. Same location. Ayan, dito ulit ang hintayan. So, wala pa yan ang tao. Let's see. Let's check kung meron na. Oh, diretso. Walang lingon-lingon. Ayan, guys. Bagong recruit. Ay, nabuo na tayo. Payat mo, ah. Merry Christmas. So every time we cook, we have to change the oil. Same, yeah. So because we're going to sell it in the store, right? So first, let's say first batch we do the cooking, and then the second batch we will put another new oil again.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, true.
If we are using olive oil, as you can see, here is oil. When we use it now, it's hot.
So before we bring to the show, the selling area, we have to cut. Okay.
So these you can cut into maybe half of like 3 pieces of pieces. See how it is based on the if there's too many people coming from the
Three
second
or-
batch, you can make this quantity. For the burgers, you can cut one of them into 5 or 6 pieces.
Oh, yeah. 4. Depends on the locations because some locations have more customer.
It slides.
Maybe 6 or 8 percent.
See? Uh-huh. Like slicing pizza.
Pizza. The golden brown.
It is totally defrosted. In a high heat. Hotdog is really hotdog kasi.
Should be balanced, the brown.
How many do you want?
I think in the I'm not sure in Motor City, the pantry, they have like chiller. We will know.
Last time I think they asked, they didn't allow access to water, so they gave us separate area where they used to.
So we have to find. Cut into 8. And one is displayed.
Don't make it a bigger portion of the people.
Turkey breast. Okay guys, day 2 ng ating rocket. Second rocket of the day. Yan. Ito, dyan ako nakatira sa Casco Residence. Yan siya. So, inaantay ko yung aking car lift. Social car lift din. Meron kaming kutsi susundo. Diba? Nakalibre ako pa masahe for today. Yan, malaking tulong yun, libre. So, waiting ako. See you later kung sino kasama ko. Okay guys, third day. Last day ng rocket. So, meron Guys, ako hindi na. Pauwi na naman na. Okay lang yan. Naghihintay na lang kami sa aming car lift. Charot, car lift daw. Wala pa. So, na-waiting kami dito kami sa aming receiving area. So, kita-kita na naman tayo next week. Continuation nila. Same product, pero next week. Alright.